Hello, it's Natasha. I'm going to show you how to add an external blog you may have somewhere else, how to add it to your Moodle site, and what the result is going to be. So I have to admit, I already did this in week 1 when I was adding stuff to my profile. Here is my blog. My external blog, and if you click on that link, it will take you straight to my blog. But for the sake of this exercise, we will do it again. So here is how it's done. You click Edit Profile, and then you have General. You ignore that. Use a picture, additional names, interests, you ignore all of that, and then you want to expand this where it says optional. Here is my blog address, and for the sake of this exercise we're going to delete it and we're going to add it again. This is all it takes, that of course, and clicking this button, Update Profile. Otherwise nothing will be saved. And here we are. And my blog is here. So again, if you want to go there, you will click on Web Page. If you want to stay on the Moodle site but still read my blog, you will click on Blog Entries here. Here you will first find the 2 posts I created on the Moodle site itself. These are 2 of my forum posts which were exported from the forums here to the Moodle blog. But underneath are the posts from my external blog. And actually you can keep scrolling down. Now, one thing that confuses me that I am unable to change at the moment is that the first post that appears here is the one that I created before adding my blog profile to my Moodle profile, my blog link to my Moodle profile the first time. The system is not really updating itself with new posts. I did write 1 post on my external blog after that, but sadly it's not showing on the Moodle site. Well, I suppose it doesn't matter really. Maybe the system will update itself later, maybe not, but still you can read my old posts here. So that's all it takes really, and the nice thing is that your blogs, your internal blog and your external blog are merged, and you don't really need to leave Moodle in order to read both. So thank you for watching. That's all for now. Bye.